What's going on, everyone? Welcome back. Our next problem for today is medium of two sorted arrays. This one is marked hard, but as y'all know, it hasn't been too hard for these AIs, and being able to kill code is really incredible. How we roll on this channel, if this is your first time, we like to take these questions, throw them into either Gemini or ChatGPT, and create a story so it's easy to follow, it's easy to understand. Found coding really complicated when I first started. It's still kind of complicated, but when I throw it into these story formats, easy to digest. It makes these things a little bit more palatable. Anyway, I'm going to go from the bottom to the top. And we will throw this into our Gemini and see what we come up with. Thinking, sure. Here's something I've also been doing. I'm taking the stories that Gemini has made and I put them into ChatGPT. The reason is Gemini is good at following directions, but Chat is just a little bit better at making the stories awesome. But we will read this first part of the problem summary.
Okay, Antoine, let's tackle LeetCode problem number 4, median of two sorted arrays. This one is a bit tricky, but we'll break it down. Problem summary. Imagine you have two separate lists of numbers, and each list is already sorted from smallest to largest. Your job is to find the middle number, or the average of the two middle numbers if there's an even count, if you were to combine both lists into one big sorted list. But here's the trick. You need to find that middle number super fast, without actually putting all the numbers together.
Let's see what ChatGPT came up with. Let's go ahead and read this. That's how I like the voices with Chat.
Absolutely, Antoine. Let's level this one up with the full enhanced gamer mode treatment, voice and all. Codename Core Data Confluence. Enhanced gamer style story. Mission lead Spectra Etherea's quantum operative. The situation. In the neon-lit sprawl of Etheria, where skyscraper-sized servers pulse with raw computation and digital storms roll across a planet-sized data grid, two rival factions, the Axiom Collective and the Zenith Alliance's alliance, are locked in silent war. They don't fight with guns, they fight with data. Each faction maintains a perfectly ordered stream of energy readings, endless values, ranked and catalogued, never intersecting. These streams don't merge, they don't overlap, they compete. But now? Something has gone wrong. The core is heating. Fail-safes are failing. If the streams don't align soon, Etheria will collapse into chaos. Only one solution remains. Find the fusion point. A single number perfectly centered between both factions' data, a median where balance returns and systems stabilize. Enter Spectra. You are Spectra, the elite quantum operative of Etheria's peacekeepers. You don't merge data. You manipulate logic. With your quantum partition glove and the zero-lag comparator visor, you dive headfirst into the data stream battlefield. No physical fusion, no brute force merge, just precision slicing, surgical analysis on live streams done at digital light speed. The gameplay loop, Spectra's core strategy. Level 1, lock onto the smaller stream. Less resistance, less noise. That's your entry point. Your first move is a binary division slash. Cut the stream clean at its midpoint. Level 2, check the energy reading to the left and right of the cut. Now sync that with a mirrored slash in the opposing stream. If both lefts are less than both rights, you've found a valid partition. Level 3, now it's time to fuse. If the total number of elements is odd, take the strongest value on the left. If it's even, average the strongest left and weakest right values. Loop if needed. If the left of Axiom overpowers the right of Zenith, slash left. If the left of Zenith outmuscles the right of Axiom, slash right. Spectra repeats this high-speed sequence again and again, halving the battlefield with every strike, until the fusion point detected. All data dims, the streams pulse in sync. Spectra stands in the center, gloves still glowing, the median value floating before her in a perfect zero-gravity sphere. Etheria is stable for now. But in the data clouds above, a new anomaly forms. Java code, quantum precision strike, Java class solution, public double-find median sorted arrays, int nums1, int nums2. Tactical edge, start with smaller stream if nums1.length, nums2.length. Return find median sorted arrays, nums2, nums1. Int total length equals nums1.length plus nums2.length. Int half total length plus ones of 2. Int left equals 0. Int right equals nums1.length. While left equal right, int cut 1 equals left plus rightness left 2. Int cut 2 equals half cut 1. Int left 1 equals cut 1 equals 0, integer.min value nums1 cut 1 plus 1. Int right 1 equals cut 1 equals nums1.length. integer.max value nums1 1. Int left 2 equals cut 2 equals 0, integer.min value nums2 cut 1. Int right 2 equals cut 2 equals nums2.length, integer.max value nums2 cut 2. If left 1 equals right 2 and left 2 equals right 1, if total length sent 2 equal 1, return math.max left 1 left 2. Else ret math.max left 1 left 2 plus math.min right 1 right 2 /2.0. Else if left 1 right 2, right equals cut 1 nice 1, shift cut left, else left equals cut 1 plus 1 shift cut right. Return 0.0 should never reach here if input is valid.
All right, say yes to this and then say yes to Gemini. We'll take this code and plug it in here, paste it in there, or run this. All right, test pass accepted. You want to pause this and look over the code. You can. All right, so they both pass, as you can see. We'll submit this and go to our next problem. Let's go ahead and see what the next one is going to be. This one is marked medium. Chat's still processing the image. Like I said, it's been taking forever. Gemini coming through. It's pretty good. Peace.